Engine oil pressure test. Open the engine hood and secure it safely in the open position. Install the fender covers. Engine lubrication system uses an oil pump which pushes the oil from the sump to all the engine components needing lubrication. Proper engine oil pressure is an indicator of the conditions such as oil pump pressure relief valve function, bearing clearances, and engine oil viscosity. Before starting oil pressure test, check the engine oil level on the dipstick. If oil level is low, add oil to bring the level up to full level mark. If oil is discolored or deteriorated, replace the oil with specified viscosity and grade of oil. If any leakage of engine oil is observed, the same should be repaired. Remove the components such as front bumper and engine front cover to gain access to the oil pressure switch. Locate the oil pressure switch. Disconnect oil pressure switch lead wire. Remove oil pressure switch from cylinder block. To avoid the burn injuries, do not touch the exhaust system parts while conducting the oil pressure test. Install special tool oil pressure gauge to vacated threaded hole of oil pressure switch. To avoid damage, ensure that hose of oil pressure gauge does not come in contact with the exhaust system. Shift gear lever to neutral position. For automatic model, shift selector lever to P range. Set the parking brake. Start engine and warm engine up to normal operating temperature. Raise engine speed to specified RPM for the vehicle. Observe the oil pressure while keeping the RPM at specified level. Engine oil pressure should be within specified range for the vehicle at specified RPM. After checking oil pressure, stop engine and remove oil pressure gauge and attachment. Wrap the threads of oil pressure switch with sealing tape. Tighten oil pressure switch to specified torque. Start engine and check oil pressure switch for oil leakage. Connect oil pressure switch lead wire. Reinstall the components such as front bumper and engine front cover which were removed to gain access to the oil pressure switch. Remove the fender covers and close the bonnet.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.